Hello guys, and this is part 2 of Build a Boat. Let's get started on the boat again. Guys, tell us in the comments if we're doing this boat really good. Because I think it's not really well. I think we just need better fit bits here. Yep, I done the carpets bit. My cousin is being silly because she's listening to crazy music. Nope. So you guys, comment if you like this game, and tell me if you want more videos on this game with my cousin. Why do we have to do this in the middle of the video? Well, I'm just finishing the thing. And I think it's looking really good. And yeah. So guys, I'm just trying to make this boat protected. Yeah. My cousin is going to be placing blocks everywhere on the ground because so we don't crash that much, the blocks will crash instead. Oh no. Where? Why do you need me? guys, if I'm not really talking, it's just because I'm like building and like thinking how to do it. So yeah. I don't need anything. I'll put them at the end. So yeah guys, I'm just building this so it gets good and nice. At the end we're gonna get crazy. Oh my. My cousin did a really good job of placing blocks. Someone wrote in the chat, no. No. Yes. What? What these? Oh. So guys, we're almost good to go. My cousin eating, so she's not really gonna be in here that much. And right now I'm gonna be putting all of the cannons up here. Doggy, put some cannons on top. Yeah. Put some on top of the roof. You have to protect the cannons by blocks. Put them in this thing that I'm making here. Remove the ones that's floating. Yeah, we're gonna be using all of those cannons. So guys, yeah. I need to stop the recording right now, and I will see you in the third video. Bye.